Salvation of souls and spiritual revival of Mali. That was the theme of a training workshop for Christian leaders in Mali, organized by CMF Christian Missionnary Fondation from 5th to 8th January 2023 in Bamako. For the organizers, the goal is to help missionaries in their evangelism mission.
The reason we are gathering at this place is to initially train Christian leaders in Mali to take care of the entire nation. We invited leaders from all over Mali. I mean Christian leaders. Some are evangelists, pastors, church leaders, and our aim is to train them, equip them to go and train others so that we can reach out the unreached souls, so that we can transform Mali or gain Mali for Christ. The participants coming from all over Mali, all the churches in Mali are represented here. We really ask them to take this training home, not only for them, but to practice it, to go and train others, to go and be true channels for Christ in order to reach out the unreached souls.
Coming from Nigeria, the trainers taught the hundreds of participants about evangelism. The trainers encouraged participants to do God's mission.
And we're here to begin to prepare the leadership for what is about to break forth. When God was going to take Israel out of Egypt, the first thing he did was to raise Moses, to give them a leader, and give the leader a vision. And the leader gave the people a vision that everybody was running with. So we believe that what God is doing now in this training is to raise these leaders, to envision them, to empower them, so that the rest of the body and the government and the people of Mali will follow the light. Message to the participants is to hear what God is saying and align with what God is saying and to make themselves available. And what I say to the participants, I say to the press, all of you are participants. So God is about to lay his hands upon you. Do not resist when he so says. And also the young people in this nation, they have a great future under God. Let them hear the voice of the Lord and say, yes, Lord.
The opening ceremony of this workshop took place under the presidency of several personalities from Mali. For the Association of Groups of Churches and Evangelical Protestant Missions in Mali, AGEMPEM, CMF has offered a New Year's gift to Mali because it strengthens the spirit of spreading good news. AGEMPEM encourages participants to apply lessons in order to spread the gospel for peace in Mali. Coming from all over Mali, the participants welcomed the very initiative, for they have acquired more knowledge.